Let me guess. You sat down to study, opened your book, and suddenly you're on TikTok watching a cat try to drive a car? Again. You're not broken, but your brain has been hijacked. This video is your roadmap back. Not to boring studying, to smarter studying. Stick around. Your GPA and your sanity will thank you. Here's what's going on in your head. Literally. Every time you swipe, scroll, or double tap, your brain drops a little dopamine. The feel-good, yo, that was awesome chemical. Dopamine loves surprises, quick rewards, flashy wins. That's why TikTok hits harder than math homework. But here's the trap. The more you feed your brain fast rewards, the more it expects everything to feel that exciting. Studying? That's slow. It's not shiny. It doesn't dance. Want to know what else uses this trick? Casinos. Yeah, TikTok is basically a Vegas slot machine for your attention span. It's not that you're lazy, it's that your brain has been trained, like a puppy, to chase short bursts of pleasure. We call this attention fragmentation. You start your science homework, and end up Googling why whales don't get sunburned. Yes, it's a thing. Here's the killer. This doesn't just zap your focus, it drains your motivation. The longer you live in distraction mode, the harder real life feels. And that, my friends, is how you can scroll for 4 hours and still feel exhausted, without doing anything useful. No, I'm not asking you to delete TikTok, Snap, Insta, Spotify, Discord, Reddit, YouTube, and your group chat named AP Lit Cry Fest. You don't need a digital detox, you need a dopamine diet. Try these 3 strategies. 1. The focus sprint. Set a 45-minute timer, turn your phone off, or throw it in a drawer like it's cursed. Focus. One task, no tabs, no side quests. Then reward yourself with 10 minutes of whatever, guilt-free. Why? Because your brain loves rewards, so give it one after real work. 2. Start your day without dopamine bombs. Don't wake up and scroll. That's like starting your morning with 5 candy bars. Instead, drink water, stretch, journal, or stare at a wall. Just don't overstimulate. This resets your dopamine levels and makes studying feel doable, not dreadful. Replace the scroll with a stroll. Next time you feel like doom scrolling, go for a walk, seriously, or stretch, or do 5 push-ups. Your body movement resets your brain faster than any motivational quote ever will. Hey parents, if you're watching, your kid doesn't need a new tutor or another punishment, they need help rebuilding their focus muscle. And yes, that starts with the phone, but here's the twist. They also need you to model it. If your kid's trying to do homework and you're scrolling Facebook while yelling, "Get off that phone!" Yeah, they notice. Set family screen-free zones. Celebrate effort, not just grades, and remind them that feeling frustrated is normal and temporary. Your brain isn't broken, it's just been distracted. You can rewire it with better habits, with smarter rewards, with the right tools. If you want more tips to study better, stress less, and train your brain to work for you, not against you, hit that like button and subscribe to Grind Smarter.